Good morning. Good morning, Sujata. Yes, Mukul ma'am, what you are doing? I left placing school. Hereafter, I am not coming. Good morning, Siddharth. Siddharth, any sample paper is there past 2 years? ACS sample paper, like what we have revised in the previous test. If it is possible, can you bring? I will teach online. I will give revisions of those Mumbai-based questions of ACS, if it is possible, Vidam. Now look at today that what you call examplers questions evening only. Today exemplar questions and other questions we are going to do now direct differentiation. See, first order derivative you learned, methods you learned, now direct differentiation you learned. Direct differentiation for NCRT book. Okay, how to solve direct differentiation method. So first part is the two formulas are there for solving the questions. First is y is equal to, if u and v will be there, then how we are going to differentiate it? It will become dy by dx. One time you leave u and differentiate v. One time you leave v and differentiate v. This is UV method. Okay. The first one is considered as UV method. One introduction I have given you for this one. The another one is U by V. U by V. When such situations are coming, how we are responding? Dy by dx. Remember nicely, V will be written as it is. First U will be differentiated, then U will be left and V will be differentiated. And down V square is coming. So these are two methods of differentiation. Understood? And all the formulas what we are using, the formulas what we are using is purely first principle derived differentiation part. Understood? So that's what we are doing. Now here, if somebody will give you this question, y is equal to x e to the power x by log x, then how you are going to differentiate it? Okay, this time JEE exams, those people who are giving, for them news is not good, because whatever exams is exactly coming, it is definitely coming with so much of leave it, we'll discuss afterwards. So now look here, y is equal to x e to the power x by log x is there. So definitely this part is uv. Two functions are there. See hereafter now, understand how functions are there. When only x is squared or x plus 4 or x squared plus 4x plus 8, like these type things are there, this is called as algebraic function. Okay, this comes under algebra. Got it? Now, when log is there, this comes under logarithmic function. Log function. This is exponent. Okay, if any function will be written like this, 3x to the power minus 5 plus 8. This is coming under inverse function. Okay, so this is coming under what? Inverse function. So all these are different sections and all these are working differently. So this is inverse function. Okay, so inverse function, that part is considered as inverse function. So inverse function means tan inverse x also is considered as inverse function. Whatever functions are there, so that means what function can be divided into many parts. So first part what you are telling is ILATE. This comes inverse. Inverse. This is logarithm. This is algebra. This is trigonometry. and this is exponential. Okay, then why I am teaching all this right now? Why I am explaining all this? ILATE, that is inverse, logarithm, algebra, trigonometry, and exponential. So all this I am discussing because of a reason. Because this can be taken as U and V. Okay, they are not same; they are different. So here, when in this question I am solving. Next class, I'm starting statistics along with sample paper questions, discussion possible means I will start doing it. Also revision we will start. You need to explain which part you want, I will do that. So now look here, y is equal to x e to the power x. Okay. Now here by log x. So now just we came to know that this all are different. Nothing is same. This comes from algebra, x comes from algebra, e to the power x comes from exponent, and log x is come from logarithmic function. So that means what we can do, this is u, this is v, and this is w. Right now it is written in this form, u, v, and w. That means we can't differentiate it same way. So what work we are going to do? First, when we will differentiate, we will write dy by dx is equal to, this we will take together. Okay, no matter it is written differently, but we will take together. First, we will write w, and then we will keep u and v together, dx minus uv together, w differentiation by w square. So that means we used to see, though it is having two different functions. U and V, two functions are together. Rudra, good morning, beta. Rudra, very important part I am teaching derivatives last section, direct differentiation I am teaching today, because last class we discussed now first order principle, first principle. Now implementation of first principle directly in formulas we are going to do today. Okay, use this one. This will be very good. Shortcut techniques some I will teach. Now look here. So here what I have done, here u and v are two different functions. But I did not separated it first. First I took it as numerator, and this part I have taken at denominator. After that, how we have used u by v differentiation, same work we have done. After this step, what you have to do? Dy by dx is equal to v, w will be as it is. Now inside you have to use another formula, the first formula what I taught. So here it will become u, v will be differentiated, plus v, u will be differentiated. Okay, now minus u, v, w will be differentiated by w square. So this is the roadmap for this question, beta. That is x e to the power x by log x is there. For this will act as the roadmap. Okay. So now we will use this roadmap to solve the question. Now here what we will do, this is u, v, w and by w. So now how we are going to differentiate this question? Differentiating with respect to x. Okay. Now how we will do it? We will write dy by dx equal to w. What is w? This one. So it will become log x, v, w part, denominator part will first come. After that uv, that is x e to the power x together. Okay, now we will leave this numerator section. We will differentiate denominator section with respect to x by w is what, beta? Log x. So this will become log x whole square. This is one of the most important method here. And now you have to inside. So this part only is left for differentiation. Till here you have done differentiation. Now this part only left for differentiation. Understood? Now this needs splitting. Got it? First what we did, beta? First we have taken this part together and this part together. Okay, as numerator and denominator. After that, first we wrote according to the formula, and now we are planning to open this one. So how we will open? Now look here. dy by dx is equal to log x. Now here only this section will be differentiated. That is one time x will be left. E to the power x will be differentiated. Then e to the power x will be left. Dx will be differentiated. So this part only split is there. After that, x, here it is not multiplication, it is multiplication, not minus. X e to the power x, differentiation of this part we will do. First I am writing this. Now here dx by log x whole square. Till here we have done. Now final part we are going to take. So dy by dx is equal to log x. Here x e to the power x, and now with the differentiation of x with respect to x will become 1 e to the power x minus x e to the power x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. Okay, and here it will become log x whole square. Here you write nicely. We know that differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Now better this and this will get cancelled. So this is bringing the final answer. What is the final answer? dy by dx equal to, see here e to the power x, here e to the power x, here e to the power x. We will take e to the power x common. One time it will become x log x. Then log x will multiply with 1. It will become log x. And then this part is minus 1 by log x whole square. So this will become your final answer. Understood? Good morning. So now this is the way of procedure for differentiation. When how many functions are there? Beta? 1, 2, 3 different functions are there. Numerator separately, denominator separately. I just first used u by v method and then I used uv method. Understood? For splitting. First is u by v method and second is uv method. And with that only I differentiated. If anybody is having any doubt, you can ask me or I will proceed for the next question. Direct differentiation, little some extra questions I am giving so that it will be easy for you to assess. Now NCERT question differentiation also I will be teaching. Is it okay? Should I proceed to the next part? Okay, just give an assurance so that I can proceed to the next part. If you are writing, miss, I will wait. Okay, beta. I'll proceed. Now look here. Next part questions. Why it is very important, how it is very important. No. NCERT question, you have to directly differentiate it. Okay. How we are going to differentiate? NCERT question. This is NCERT question. Your question is sine of x plus a. You have to differentiate. Okay, so what is your differentiation given? Trigonometry we will hit nicely. Okay, so sine of x plus a beta. So if sine of x plus a given to you, means are we going to leave this question? No, it is y is equal to sine of x plus a is given to you. Okay, y is equal to sine of x plus a given to you. So when y is equal to sine of x plus a given to you, how we are going to proceed? First, beta, chain rule is not applicable in this platform right now for 11th class. 12th class chain rule is there. So here I am going to teach you direct trigonometry formula based answers. So what we will write first, beta? we know sine of A plus B formula. It will become sine A. So when sine of A plus B is there, what it will become? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. This is the formula na? Sine of A plus B. Sine of A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. I hope you might have understood this one. This is the formula sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Got it? So here it will become sine x cos A plus cos x sine A. Done? Sine x cos A sine x, cos x sine A. Done till here? Now we will differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. Done? So we will write dy by dx is equal to 1 times here. This part you need to understand one very important thing that whenever you differentiate, listen carefully, it should be differentiated with respect to x. Otherwise, it will become constant. Understood? How and why and in which way? Let's see. Now, better look here. If somebody will give you sine 60 degree into sine x and they told you to differentiate. Okay. So here d of dx. Just understand this one. Now sine 60 degree is trigonometric ratio. Okay. It is not differentiable with respect to x. But here x is there and x is there. So this is differentiable with respect to x. That is the difference. You must remember this. Okay. So here sin x is differentiable, but this becomes constant. Okay, so this becomes constant. So here value you have to substitute. Sine 60 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. So this will come outside as a constant. Okay, this will not be differentiated. Only sine x will be differentiated because it is in a variable form, angle we are not knowing, and here is x and here is x. So it will become root 3 by 2. Differentiation of sin x according to the formula, first principle formula is cos x. And better we are directly writing this. Okay, so here also same logic is applicable. Here also same logic is, Vasant, good morning. Here also same logic is applicable. Cos A, look here, cos A and sin A, they are not going to be differentiable. Understood or not? So they are not going to be with differentiable. This is very important to remember. They are not going to be differentiable. Sin A and cos A, they are not going to be differentiable because they are constants. What they are, sin A and cos A are exactly constants. They will come out. Okay. So we are going to take them out. So cos A is outside. Now only sine will be differentiated. Okay. Now sine A is outside. Only cos will be differentiated. Okay. So that means the one which is differentiated is sine x and the one which is differentiated here is cos x. And here, why? Because x is differentiated with respect to x. Wherever the functions, variables are same, based on that only differentiation will be done. So here, what is the final answer coming? Come on, just start answering the question. Cos A will become cos A. It is not differentiated. Sin x will become cos x. And here it will become minus because differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So it will become minus sin x into sin A. So it is cos x into cos A minus sin x into sin A. Got it? Cos x into cos A minus sin x into sin A. And when we will write this is one formula, it will become cos of x plus A. That's it. This will become cos of x plus A. Did you understood how to proceed with this? Any doubt is there? Idea is not there, like how to solve this? Then 100% I'll be helping to proceed with. Yes, so these are certain typical things we must be knowing how to handle. Okay, because see, look here, this is not for one day. This is not for one day. These NCRT questions and everything what we are discussing right now, it's a long-term relation because this will be used. This is not like it is not going to be used in just for 1 or 2 months you wait. After that, like this now flow will come. And if you are not having concepts, it is going to be very difficult. Right now, people are working for 80 out of 80. That's the target for everybody. This is a different world. Beta. Now, I'm just NCRT, another question I'm writing. What is NCERT? Another question. Y is equal to, now just check this one out. Y is equal to sine x plus a by cos x. Then how we are going to handle this? Try this question, Beta. Try this. Come on, can I solve or do you want to try? This one will become u, this one will become u, and this one will become v. Now you try it. Do you want to try or should I solve? Say quickly. Now look at it. This same method we will use differentiating with respect to x. So now here it will become dy by dx is equal to v, first we will write cos x, differentiation of sine of x plus a dx minus sine of x plus a differentiation of cos x. Okay, u by v method we have applied. Here it will become cos x whole square. And proudly we will write one thing here. So that are you there in the group? U by v method means v, what is differentiation of u by v? This is according, this u by v is function only. Okay. So here it will become v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. So this is the formula. Understood not? So this formula only we have used here. After using the formula, what next we are going to do? So that are you there? So here cos x. Now open this bracket. Sine of x plus a, open the bracket. How we are going to open the bracket? Cos x is there. This section, when somebody will be solving, here it will become sine of x plus a is there. Sine x into cos a plus cos x into sin A. Understood? So here differentiation part has to be done. So here we are going to differentiate. This section differentiation is there. So cos x will be left as it is. Sin x plus this section is differentiated. Understood? And then here minus sine of x plus a, and here cos x differentiation will become minus sin x. This is a very important step, very expensive step. This only you have to open sin x plus a. So when you are opening sin x plus a, what is happening? Sin x plus a is getting opened as sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Understood? Now here what we are going to do, we will write. So cos x will be like that. Sin x only will be differentiated. Keep bracket. Constant you keep outside. Cos a differentiation of sin x with respect to dx. Okay. Plus sin a differentiation of cos x with respect to dx. Got it? Minus. This minus into minus will become plus. It will become sin x, sine of x plus a. Done. By denominator part, what will become better? It will become this section denominator. I think I did not wrote. I need to write. Cos x whole square. Okay. So this part also will become what? Cos x whole square. dy by dx. Till here we have done. Now we need to open this bracket and open this bracket. So now by differentiation. So here sin x will become cos x. So here it is coming cos x, cos x, cos a, and here it will become minus sin x, sin a, and then here already it is written, check this one out, plus sine of x into sine of x plus a by cos x whole square. Done. Now here cos x, it will become cos of x plus a plus sin x into sine of x plus a by cos x whole square. By cos x whole square. Is this the end of the answer? Is this the end of the answer? Means we did this much. Are we going to stop here? No. This is exactly not the end of the answer. This is again one step is missing here. Check this one out. Once we have finished till here, what is the next one we have to do with it? It is cos of x plus a plus sine of x plus a. Now beta look here. This is coming under our another formula. Till here this is not the answer, because many students they will leave this one and they will say that okay, this is the answer. This is actually not the answer. Okay. Now how we are going to solve? Check here. Here to dy by dx will be there. In all the places dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to. Now beta this is coming as cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So it will become, our answer will become cos of a minus b. Correct? Cos of a minus b. So we can write x plus a minus, here cos x is there. So this will become this. By denominator part will become cos x whole square. This will be as it is, dy by dx. So now dy by dx is equal to cos of this. So this and this will get cancelled. It will come cos a by cos x whole square. So this answer will come cos a into secant square x. This is the final answer. Cos a into secant square x. The final section I have written, I did not left anything here. And if you will write till here, then only 3 marks question you will be able to solve. This is not even 5 mark question. Okay, this is one of the most important expensive steps. See, if a person, a teacher is not knowing how to correct that paper, they will definitely give you full marks. But the ground reality is you need to be perfect to this level. Otherwise, outside there is no existence. How you are, what you are doing totally depends upon what platform you are standing. So please kindly do it very nicely. It's my humble request to all the children. Till here, clarity. With clarity, you have to take out this step. So here, which formula I have used, beta? Here, this step I have used a formula cos A cos B plus sine A sine B is nothing but cos of A minus B. Understood. So this formula I have used cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is nothing but cos of A minus B. So if you know the steps means it will come very clear to you. Is it okay? Rudra, Payoja, Sujata. Did you understand this? Siddharth, are you there? Third time I'm calling your name. So now look here. So definitely till here is it okay? You have understood this part. Okay, fine. I can proceed in this way. Then we will go for the next question. Yes, super. This has to be understood. This has to be understood. If any, because these are tricky things. Like teachers can think like you find students can do it, but students are not God. Students are just child. They have to understand first. Okay. Now next question we will do. Now this is NCRT. One question is there. I'm going to solve this question for NCRT. This is the third question of NCRT. I'm solving. Check this one out. Till here it is clear. So I'm just removing. If you wish, I will be waiting. I will wait for you so that you can write. After that only I will remove it. So totally your wish. If you have done means I'm going to go for the next part. Can I proceed? Just type yes means I understand that okay fine you are telling me to proceed. I'll proceed and go to the next part. Okay. Now, but one question is there. Understand this one. That NCRT question is there. How to solve this question? F of x is equal to x to the power 100 by 100 is there plus x to the power 99 by 99 is there. Like this, it will proceed. After procedure, one step will come. It will come x square by 2 plus x by 1 plus 1. So this is a way to go with f of x. Okay. So when you have proceeded with f of x to this level, like one time you have taken x to the power 100 by this, like this you have used. Now we need to differentiate. After differentiation, we have to prove that f dash, we have to prove that f dash 1 is equal to 100. This is the first we have to prove. And second one is f dash 0 is equal to exactly what is the value? Uh, this we have to prove. This we have to prove. This we have to prove and how we are going to prove it. Now first what we will do is, we will use a simple method. The simple method here is, just understand this. What is the most simplest method? This is the most simplest method here. Because we have to differentiate. When we are writing d of dx of f of x, okay, this side, now differentiation will be distributed left side and right side. So it is going to differentiate it with, used for this, plus x to the power 99 by 99. Got it? So once we have written till here, now come on, go for it. This not at all. So f of x differentiation will become f dash x. Till here done. Next, we will distribute x to the power 100 dx plus differentiation of x to the power 99 dx plus x to the power differentiation like this will proceed plus differentiation of x square dx plus differentiation of x dx plus differentiation of 1 dx. Now, what is the next part? This section constant differentiation will become 0. So now what we will do? Differentiation of this will become 100 x to the power 99 plus 99 x to the power 98. Like this it will proceed to x square will become 2x, x will become 1. That's it. X will become 1. So actually 100 here, but here 99 differentiation of this. So here all the constant numbers are there. So we will write 1 by 100 it is there. Here 1 by 99 is there. Here x square, that means 1 by 2 is there. And write with another color so that now it will become very clear to you what you have to do. 1 by 100 is there. Here 1 by 99 is there. 1 by 99 is there. And here 1 by 2 is there. So now after this, what next we are going to do? This 100 and this 100 will get cancelled. This 99 and this 99 will get cancelled. This 2 and this part will get cancelled. So that means now we are in a state where we can take some decisions, and this is nothing but f dash x. So f dash x is equal to x to the power 99 plus x to the power 98 plus x to the power 97 till x plus 1. So this you got as f dash x. So that means, but till here we got. Now our ultimate target is this one. Did you got it? Our ultimate target is that part where we are going to substitute and write, because this we have to prove. Our proof is not this one. Our proof is to lead to this section. So we need to prove that part. So now let's see. We have to take x as 1. Got it? Don't do any other work. Take x as 1 because we have to solve that section now. So we will write f dash 1. The moment we have written f dash 1, you just think like this, beta. Okay, this x to the power 1 to the power 99 will come, 1 to the power 98 will come, 1 to the power 97 will come, till it will come 1, 1, 1, 1. So how many times it is coming? How many terms are there? First you check. Total 100 terms are there. See, how many terms are there? 100 terms are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, 99. 99 means till here x is there. Now, so total 99 terms are there plus 1. Total 100 terms. So in every term, now you are going to substitute x value as 1. The moment we are writing here x as 1, when x will become equal to 1. The moment we are writing there x is equal to 1, magic starts. Wherever x is there, where we will write 1. So now it is coming as 1 to the power 99. Now what it is? 1 to the power 99 plus 1 to the power 98. Like this it will come 1 to the power 2 plus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. So this one is there. So 1 to the power 1. 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is there. So here you check nicely 1 to the power 2, 1 to the power 1, 1 to the power 0, whatever you wish to write, you write. So here what terms are coming? Total how many terms will come? This is total coming 99. 99 plus 1 will become 100. Check very carefully. Understood? It will become 100. Very carefully designed. So if I will write 99 plus 98, sorry, plus I will not put, sorry, we can put 99 plus 98 plus 97 till 1. So that means how many terms are there? So number of terms will be 99 and plus 1 extra this is there, that will become, this is nothing but x to the power 0. This is x to the power 1, na? So this is x to the power 0. So including this term, total 100 will be there. So it will become as 100. Okay, fine. We wrote till here. But in our question, one thing was there, that is differentiation of f dash 0. What is that means actually, children? Huh? What does that means actually? F dash 0. F dash 0 means what, beta? F dash 0. 0 to the power anything will become 0 first. But what actually this is representing to you? F dash 0. How we are going to make it stable? Because this much part is coming. See this here to directly. Can I write here this into F dash 0? Is it going to be very expensive for me if I'm writing F dash 0 here along with that? Come on, check. Here one very important thing is there. I want everybody to listen this one because if f dash has 0 you will not understand, then you will not understand anything. This is exactly going to be problem. Did you understood till here, beta? No, you did not understood anything. Now look here. See, I have written there f dash 0 directly, but we must write, that is, we must solve that part and write. Okay. So till here you understood. Directly you will ask the question, how can she write like this? Correct now? How can she write like this? How she put there just for proving na she wrote like that. You will in your brain like that it will come. That auntie na just to prove this one, she wrote this like this. But beta, it is not like that. I had some reasons so that only I wrote. Yes, Paivaja, super beta. That's very nice. The girls are very super. So now look beta. You need to understand one thing. First, now when we are writing this one, we should have some backup support. Backup plan should be there. Is how suddenly, in which way she wrote, and if she is writing, what is the main reason behind writing this? So this should be your question. You should ask me this question. And your question is absolutely correct. Now I'm going to solve it and show you here how it is correct question. Absolute correct question. So now look here. When I'm writing f dash 0 beta, actually what it is? When I'm writing f dash 0 means now see in this f dash x na equation 1. This after differentiation we got. Or you can say this is equation 1 auntie, this is equation 2 auntie. And now auntie with the help of in equation 2, one time I substituted 1 auntie. And I got this. Just look here. Now I got this auntie. Okay, fine. Paraja. Now after that beta what next we will do? If I will put f as 0 when x is equal to 0. Okay, when x is equal to 0. So the moment I am putting x is 0 to the power 99, 0 to the power 98, 0 to the power 97, like this 0 to the power 2 plus 1. Understood, understood, understood or not? So wherever x is there, now this time what you are going to substitute? You are going to substitute 0 beta. Okay, so the moment you put 0, so all are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So that means what is the value of f dash 0? The value of f dash 0 is 1. Got it? Hmm? Now they told to prove this part. So already f dash 1. So what we got? F dash 1 is equal to how much beta? 100. We got this f dash 1 is equal to 100. This was coming as f dash 1 was coming as 100. Then f dash 1 was coming as 100. Again I am telling. So here 100 is there. So 100 can be written with 1 and then here it will become this is equal to 100 f dash 0. Since f dash 0 is equal to 1 and that's it. This is exactly putting the final nail in the coffin of this question because after this nothing is needed. Understand not? So you just substituted, you solved this and you got this value. You can take this value as equation 3 and equation 4. So using 3 and 4 here you write. Using 3 and 4, who will touch your answer? They will definitely say that you have total idea of health. This is exactly what is the procedure through which we can handle these type questions. Did you got the clarity bit of what you have to do? Because many people they have this problem that f dash 0 from where it came. So f dash first one substitute get the value, then f dash 0 substitute get the value, and then substitute this one. So only I said you have done a very good thing by saying that can you substitute. Did you got it, Peter? Confidence level coming that I will be able to now differentiate. Is it possible? Tell me. Are you getting the confidence that yes, auntie, now I will be able to do it? Okay? You note down. If any doubt is there, you can ask me. Is it okay? Shall we proceed? Yes, super. See, understand one thing, you are not only prepared for one work, you are exactly prepared for many mathematics means 12th maths means once you will understand means it is very 12th math is not so easy. Right now you are in last phase of 11th. From here only you will proceed towards 12th. So if little bit mistakes will be there, means from the beginning if you will start doing wrong things, means 100% there is no skip. Okay, one question I'm giving you, everyone. This is a warming up question. Solve it. 9 into 3 to the power x. Differentiate. Direct differentiation use. Direct differentiation use and solve. What is the answer? solvency. Yes, ma'am, you are saying but solving. See, nothing is there in this question. Y is equal to 9 into 3 to the power x. 9 is a constant. So when you will differentiate with respect to x, this part will become dy by dx. 9 will be as it is. 3 to the power x will be differentiated. Understood? So 9 is a constant. 9 will be left as it is. Very good, Rudra. That is log 3. Wow, super. So now look at this part. Constant means 9 will be left as it is. Differentiation of this will become 3 to the power, sorry, log base 3 into 3 to the power x. Bingo. This is exactly the correct answer. How? Because we know that differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x log base 3. This is exactly the differentiation. And based on this differentiation of data, we have solved the question. Did you got my point? Hmm? I hope you understood how to handle these questions. Now, we have most of the questions of NCRT I have solved. First order principle we have finished. Now, next class, statistics, we are going to start. In school, which chapter they are in? If you can inform me. Statistics part. In school, did they started statistics? Because after that mean deviation, I'll start. Range, I will teach. Limits only. Okay, fine. We'll start statistics so that we can be little ahead than school and we will start revisions. Okay. Revisions means conic section is very important. Please don't leave conic sections. Arithmetic part is very important. APGP. Yes, APGP sections and all. Now, one more time we need to practice. And this section, straight line and circle, their formulas now, till you will be studying mathematics means anytime they are that ghosts now, they can reappear anytime. They'll come and fight with you. So 100% whenever you will be needing, you need to practice those questions again and again. So that formulas of 11th. 11th is called as pillar beta, sorry, base. On that only pillar of 12th will start. Okay. Bye everyone. Have a nice day. How was the class? Was it okay? Bless you all. Have a nice day. Enjoy your life. But study also mathematics specifically.